That's the Black Ops. Let's get it. Simpson Manufacturing shut down IT systems after cyber attack. Once again, everybody's getting hit. Let's read it. Super quick article. Simpson Manufacturing disclosed via SEC 8K filing a cybersecurity incident that caused disruption in its operation, which are expected to continue. So, if the cyber attack's big enough, 8K is what you file to the SEC, right? Talking about your company's position, how much money you make. But if it's a material breach, meaning it's big money, you got to tell your investors and upcoming investors that happened, right? Simpson Manufacturing is an American building and structure material producer, one of North America's dominant maker of structure connectors and anchors. With 5,150 employees, net sales 2.12 billion in 2022 with a big B. The company states it detected IT problems and application outage this past Tuesday, which it soon realized was caused by a cyber attack. In response to the situation, Simpson took all impacted systems offline to prevent the attack spread. On October 10, 2023, Simpson Manufacturing experienced disruption in its information technology infrastructure and application resulting from a cyber security incident. After becoming aware of a malicious activity, the company began taking steps to stop and remediate the activity, including taking certain systems offline. The statement further clarifies that the ongoing remediation process may take some time. As a result, the pause in business operation will persist. Wow. Lengthy disruption typically results from ransomware attacks that are complex to remediate as they involve data encryption, rendering key systems and app unusable. Also, possibility of data theft will be a significant concern as system manufacturing is a leader in the industry, potentially holding large amounts of proprietary information. The firm operates in 7 laboratories for testing new designs, material, and holds over 2,000 patents and trademarks. While I guess I never thought a manufacturing would hold over 2,000 patents and trademarks. However, the type of security incident impacting Simon Manufacturing has not yet been determined, and no ransom group has taken responsibility for an attack on the firm. The company has engaged leading third-party experts to aid in its investigation and recovery, but both are in their initial stages. The announcement of the attack, which led to a suspension of business operation, has not negatively affected the company's stock trading performance yet. Bleeper Computers has contacted Simpson Manufacturing with the request for additional information regarding the nature of the cyber security incident, and we will update this post as soon as we hear back. Wow. So once again, the top manufacturing company was hacked. Simpson Manufacturing shut down IT systems after a cyber attack. Professor Black Ops, please subscribe. Cybersecurity is the way.